A lot of us are doing business today, right? You don't know if you are going to own yourself a house. So what we now did was to make ownership dream a reality and make it simple for everybody to own a building, to own a house in any location of your choice. Once you register with us as a what? As a PBO. I would say we are going to work with you for 5 years, just like she was explaining to you. So working with you for 5 years will give you opportunity to buy a house in any location of your choice in this Lagos, even outside Lagos, even outside the country. It gives you opportunity to buy a house in any location of your choice. If I ask a question now that where would you like to own your own building? Some of you will mention Ikoyi, some people mention Banana Island, am I correct? Some will mention different parts of, any part in the country. Now, we said with 5 years, we're going to work with you to get a house in any of these locations. For that 5 years, what do you need to do? All you need to do is to work with what we call what? 5, the pillar of 5. That's what we call 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assuming you are joining this business today now, and I said, when you join this business, all you need to spend is 52,650. And with the 52,650, you can get a house in Lekki by the time you work with us with 5 years. And you actually know that you're going to get this house in Lekki when you work with us for just 5 years, for bringing 5 people every month. Listen, you want to buy a house in Lekki, for example, or any location of your choice. And we're not telling you now that work with us, right, for 5 years. The only money you need to spend is 52,650. Then when you work with us by bringing just 5 people, encourage those people to also bring their own 5 every month. Do you understand? Anybody that is coming in is bringing in 5 every month. I'm going to do that continuously for how many years? 5 years. That you're going to get a house in any location of your choice at the end of 5 years. What would you like to do to own a house? You like to do it, right? To bring these just 5 people is very easy. You meet people every day, you can talk to them and bring them into this business. In network marketing business, what we say you should do is always talk to people every day. You must talk to people every day. You must bring people to training. That's why you have here. We have this office to help you build your network marketing business by bringing people for training every day. Now, what you need to do is that you bring in 5 people, work with these 5, also bring their 5. By the time you do that, everybody is bringing how many? 5 every month. And you know that you want to own a building in Lekki or even in Ikoyi or any location of your choice. Now, this is what will happen to your business. Let's give me the next slide. Next one. Okay. Now, this is what will happen to your business. And assuming you recruit 5 PBOs who also do the same, this is what will happen to your business in what? 8 months or years or any time in between. But what we are choosing is how many? 5 years. We are choosing 5 years. So when you bring in 5 people every month for 5 years, this is what is going to happen. Next slide. Now, number 1, this is what will happen to your business. Number 1, this is you. For those that are coming for the first time, I know I'm showing you this so that we can just talk, then we round up for today. You are coming in, this is you, right? When you register with 52,650, you are going to get 35 PV. Just like they explained to you that PV stands for what? Point value. And this point value is our currency when it comes to P1. Point value is our currency. That's what we use as our currency. So when you bring in 5 people, right? By the time you bring in 5 people as they are coming in, at the end of the month, this is what you are going to earn, 2,100. Of course, the money is small. But there's a saying that said, a journey of what? 1,000 miles. Begin with what? Just a step. Then the second month, you are going to bring this 5. You are going to work with them to also bring their what? Their 5. By the time you work with them to also bring their 5, that month, from your point value, what you are going to get equivalent to what? 10,000 what? 500. Then the next month, when you now work with this 5, right? To also bring their 5. Everybody is bringing their 5. At the end of the day, when everybody is bringing their 5 at the end of the day, by the time you get to 8 months and you add everything together, this is what you are going to get. The total of what you are going to get for 8 months. The total is what you are going to get 8 months. Is how much? 200 and what? 205 million. Just for how many months? 8 months. And what is our project? 5 years. The duration of our project is what? 5 years. And the project is just to bring how many what? 5 people every month. And when you bring 5 people every month for 1 year, let's even change this 8 months to 1 year. Right? You are working with 5 to bring 5 every month. At the end of 5 people every day, you want to register 5. Am I correct? You are talking to 5 every day. And the Pareto principle said 20% of that is natural. That's what you are supposed to get. You don't need to get the 100, just 20%. So if you are doing 5 people every day, 5 times 30, what do you have? 150. What is 20% of 150? 30. That's 30 people, right? You're going to get 30 people, Okay? And when you get 30 people, out of those 30 again, at least 5 will register. 5 will register. If you want to succeed, just do only 5 every day. How do you master your doing of 5 every day? I know it will be difficult to start from the beginning, but when you discipline yourself and say, no, I must register 5 every day, am I correct? You say, no, I must register 5 every day. The only time you're going to struggle to do it, discipline yourself to actually do that 5 every day. Do it continuously for 7 days. For just 7 days. Then it becomes natural in your system. It will no longer feel it again. It's natural thing. I always like giving an example when I'm giving training. Now, if you know that your goal, what is your goal? Why are you bringing 5 people? What is your goal? Who can tell me? Okay. What is the real goal? Why are you bringing 5 people every day? What do you want to achieve? You want to own a home. Fantastic. In any location of your choice. In this Lagos, I know that to buy a house in Lagos can cost you, let's say, 150 million. And what we just did now is even more than 300 million. Is that not something that can motivate you to do what you're supposed to do? It's something that will motivate you. So what you now tell yourself is to bring 5. I know I'm preaching this. Just 5. If you're bringing 5 every day, talk to 5 people every day. At least at the end of the month, you'll be able to register nothing less than 5 person. But if you bring 5 every day, how many did I say? 150. And out of that 150, 20% of it is starting. But 20%. That means you're going to get how many? 30. Out of those 30, if 5 can register with 2,650, you're already on the way to success in the business. So when you're doing that continuously, there's no way you will not succeed in doing this. Like I said, how do you get to talk to 5 every day? Tell yourself, I know I've been saying this thing since last year. Last year till now, most people don't even need to talk to people. They just wake up in the morning, they get dressed, they just leave the house. No. How do you achieve your 5 a day? Go and do a complimentary card. Do a complimentary card. We are going to put just 5 in your pocket. Only 5. Don't put 6, don't put 4. Only 5. Put it in your pocket. So those 5, make sure you're exhausted before you leave. Get home that same day. Tell yourself, I'm going to talk to people 5 persons every day today. Is it hard to get people? No. It's not hard to get people. You have a complimentary card. Look nice. When you walk up to somebody and greet the person, that introduce yourself, your name is also, this is what I do. This is my card. Right? When you give the person your card, what do you think will happen to that person you are giving card? Give you back his own, right? If the person doesn't have card, will give him your card, he will gladly give you his what? Phone number. When you do it for the first day, you can do the fine. The second day will be difficult. That's when you have to command your body and your spirit to go get up and go and do it. By the time you do it the second day, the third day will be very difficult. The fourth day will be very, very difficult, but you need to now what? Fight with your spirit to do the fine. By the time you do it the 5th day, 6th day, the 7th day, 8th, it will be very easy for you to do. Very, very easy for you to do. How many of you used to do sports? How many of you have been to the gym, do sport, exercise before? Fantastic. Fantastic. Man, let me ask you, the first day you did exercise, what happened to you? In the night? All your body ached. Yes. The second day, what happened? The same thing, better than the first. Third day, what happened? 5th day. Start relaxing. After 1 week, what happened? It disappeared. Do you still feel pain again? Don't feel pain. All these things are natural. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you can stick to 5 and discipline yourself that I must stop to 5. That second day you're doing that exercise, you almost want to give up. Am I correct? Yes. You say, I'm tired. Most women want to shed weight, right? They will continue doing the exercise. Then most men, they want to have 6 pack. Me, I don't have 6 pack. I'm okay with my family pack anyway. Most men want to get 6 pack, right? They will say no. They will still. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's the same thing with this. The same thing with this. You need to what? Do it. You need to do it. Then if you are doing the exercise, the first day you feel pain, second day you are feeling pain, and you want to sit down, you don't do the exercise again. Then you leave it. After 1 week again, or after 1 month, you come back. What happened? The same process, you must feel that pain again. Then at the end of the day, if you quit and say, I beg, I'm tired, I don't want to feel pain. What happened? Will you achieve that goal of the exercise? No. So how many of you are really ready now, really, really ready to own their own apartment, their own house in the next 5 years? You want to move to your own house. You want to move to your own house. How many of you are really ready to talk to 5 a day? I'm not saying you should register 5 now. I say talk to 5 a day. 5 a day. Are we ready? 5 a day. Even if you don't have the complimentary card, don't walk on to somebody and talk to them. Don't talk too much. Don't tell the person that you are into this real estate. That give everybody opportunity, okay, to own a real estate company without paying for it. And we're also going to teach you how you can be making money in real estate. I will do our seminar every Wednesday in so place. I would like to invite you to attend one of our sections. This is what? My number, or this is my card. But if you don't have a card, like I said, get a small, what's it called, small notebook. They sell it very cheap, 200, you can get a very portable one. Say, can I have a number so that I can book a seat for you ahead of time? Do you understand? Then you collect the person's what? Number. Remember you said book a seat. Then you want to book, because you need to book a seat. Make it look very important. That you need to book a seat for them. By the time you now collect the person's number, you write it down, right? Already you are giving the person your card. And once you give the person your card, if the person has card, you give it. There are some people you will meet, they will tell you, don't worry, I will call you. Am I correct? Yes. Don't worry, I will what? Call you. Don't bother yourself. Don't bother yourself. Don't look down on yourself. How come you feel bad? How come you did not give me number? No. Count it as what? Still move ahead. Do you understand? Move ahead. If you are looking for 5, you talk to 5. Only 3 give you number. How many have you spoken to? 3. It doesn't show you that you need to talk to more people that day. If somebody said you talk to the first person and they refuse to give you number, you talk to the second person and they refuse to give you number, don't quit and say, who is going to even give me number today? No. Keep what? Talking. Keep talking. This is the only thing we need to do, just to talk to people. That's the secret about the sales in this business. You need to be posting. Let me even use myself as an example. You might post something to somebody now, right? He will read it, he will not say anything to you. You might even post it, the person will be angry and say, this guy is always disturbing me in the post. Keep what? Posting. It happens to me. There's this Omonile guy since 2 years ago. He has been posting me land. You know, we buy land and also put it in the market. Am I correct? They will post me land. There's also land, it's also place. 20 plus, 30 acres. I keep, anytime I see the post, I'm always what? Angry. But why I didn't block him? Because I'm also sending him my own, what? My post. I didn't block him, but he keeps sending me. For the past 2 years, he has been doing it without stopping. Every time he send me post. What happened yesterday? He sent me post the previous day. Yesterday, I opened the post. He said there's a land in Monastery Road, right? Behind ShopRite. And he showed me the post. And I opened the post. I liked the place. I called him immediately and went to inspect the place. And the land is about 70-something plus. And it's going for like 1.8 billion. 1.8 billion. And we are buying the land as a group. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you are giving up, maybe, this man said he's not even answering me, I will not send him post again. Are we going to close that deal with him? No. But he was always sending the same thing with you. Keep sending your post. Even somebody is telling you, even when the person is not even talking to you, but they are seeing it. One day, somebody will surely what? Call you and ask you how to do the business. Okay? So these are the different ways you make money from P1. Number 1 is through land sales. When you sell land, you get your commission. When you build your team, you are working towards your what? Home ownership. There's the last one again, which is also the team building. Let me show you that before I round up for today. And these are the different levels that you also make money in P1. Number 1, P1 business owner. You register as a P1 business what? Owner. When you bring 5 people, right? You become an assistant what? Manager. When you work with those 5 people to bring 5 each, just to bring 5 each. You yourself, you don't need to bring 5. Oh. Actually, it's actually just once in a month. I haven't even realized that since. Hello? Have you realized there's only 1 5 you need to bring in a month? When you do it, bring your 5. What you now need to do is to work with those your 5 to make sure they bring their 5 each. But you on your own, you're not going to relax. Also work to also bring your 5. Because out of these 5, if nobody is bringing 5, those 5 you are bringing will now be spillover for them so that your growth will continue. So the next one, as a P1 business owner, when you bring 5 people, what do you become? Assistant manager. You register yourself, you bring 5 people, you become an assistant manager. Work with these 5 people to bring their 5 each. Those 5 you brought in today. By the time you work with them to bring 5 each, you become a manager. You are going to work, by the time you become a manager, work with this assistant manager. They also produce assistant manager. By the time they produce assistant manager, you become senior what? Manager. You are also going to work with these people, right? Develop 5 managers. When you develop 5 managers, you become what? Sapphire manager. When you develop 5 Sapphire manager, you become what? When you develop Emerald manager, you become what? Diamond manager. At least even if you develop 3 here, you still become what? A diamond manager. Then as a diamond manager, you have a lot of benefits that the company is still going to give to you, right? Then after diamond manager, you have diamond what? Director. Then you have national director. Now let me show you how it works. Next. This is you step 1, step 2. Step 1, you become a what? A P1 business owner. Step 2, assistant manager. Recruit 5 PBOs, right? 5 PBOs. You become what? Assistant manager. Next. Level 3, manager. Develop 5 assistant manager. Then you'll be recognized as what? Team manager. That means when you have 5 assistant managers, you'll be recognized as what? Team manager. Next slide. Level 4 is what called senior manager. As a senior manager, develop 5 what? Managers. When you develop 5 managers, you'll be recognized as what? A senior manager. Next one. There's what called Sapphire manager. Develop 5 senior manager. By the time you develop 5 senior manager, you become a Sapphire manager. Your benefit is what? 1.2 million naira, paycheck, and a marketing card value at what? 1.5 million naira. Did you sell that?
No.
You didn't sell that. What you did was to what?
Recruit.
Next slide. Okay, the next slide is what we called what? Emerald manager. So develop 5 what? Sapphire. You can see it's now can reduce to 5. Even if you cannot develop 3. I mean, sorry, that reduce to 3. Even if you cannot develop 5. Then at the end of the day, these are your benefit. 1.5 million naira cash. Then a rent subsidy. A rent subsidy worth 1.5 million naira. Then a car fund of what? 6 million naira. That's what the company is going to give to you. Next slide. Diamond manager. Then as a diamond manager, right? Develop 5 emerald manager. At the end of the day, by the time you develop 5, you become what? A diamond manager. And these are your benefits. It has what? 30 million naira. Kitchen and household furniture worth how much? 10 million naira. Then a brand new car worth how much? 15 million naira. And all expense paid vacation for what? For family of 6. With 6 million naira traveling allowance. That's what the company is going to give you. Did you sell land at that stage? No, you did not sell land. What you did was just to recruit. Then the next stage, what we call the diamond director. When you become a diamond director, a privilege will be what? Communicated to you personally. They will call you on the round table and ask you, what do you want the company to do for you? Then you tell them this is what you want, this is what you want, and the company is going to give it to you. Next one. Then we have a national director. As a national director, that is the final. Okay, that's the final level. And the company is also going to appreciate you for joining. They will also call you and ask you what do you want them to do for you. Then you list and tell them what you want. Now, how to subscribe as a P1 business owner? If you are here today, at least before you leave, if you are not registered, pick a form and fill it and pay this amount. Or better still, when you register with this, your annual fee renewal every month, right, is what? 36,000. Every year is 36,000. Then making a total of what? 37,650. When you register with this, for example, if your company register with 1,650, your benefit is that you sell and you get commission and you stop there. But when you register with this, 36,650, you sell and this way you only get 10% commission. At this stage, you get 15% commission. Other benefit is that what I just explained to you now, different level, different rank. Get to diamond manager, you're getting a house, a car, and so many other incentives. It is when you register with it that you can qualify for those incentives. But with 1,650, you cannot qualify for those incentives. But register with the 2,650, you can qualify for those incentives. Okay? Then, if you don't want to subscribe, qualify for home. Like we said, 5 years, you want to qualify to own a house in any location of your choice. This is how you need to register. You will not subscribe after you have paid 36,650. You will not subscribe to become what? A classic gold PBO by paying what? 50,000 naira. 15,000 naira plus this. How much is that? 52,650. So when you pay 62,650, you become what? A classic gold PBO. That means as a classic gold PBO, all the privilege, all the incentive that we have in the group, you can qualify for them as a classic gold PBO. Next slide. Then you pay the money to this Zenith bank account. Okay, there's a new account now, okay, that we can pay the money to. So once you pay your money to this account, you fill the form, you send it to us, they will register you and create your mini website for you where you can monitor your business, okay? Where you can monitor your online business. Next slide. Then step to register. Make your registration payment as what? As your initial deposit into the company's account. Then you visit this and fill the form. Or get the referral link of the person who introduced you to this what? Program. By the time you fill it, or you get his referral link, or you go to the website and fill, you put the person's name as a referral. At the end of the day, you will receive a welcome email to acknowledge your what? Membership. Next slide. By the time you do that, you register with us, the company will tell you, congratulations, you are now a PBO. Okay? Congratulations, you are now a PBO. So I encourage every one of you, come here today, try and register to work with you. So next week, Wednesday, we are going to be teaching you, apart from this, after this presentation,